I surrender all to Thee, I freely give. I will ever love and trust You in Your presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee.